All right, welcome back, friends and family. Hope you're having an incredible day today. Today the sun has actually been out for a while, so it's been about 24 hours, and one of the things that we're going to do today is come up and you can see this is what we kind of were dealing with the other day. We basically had our first cut through the soil, and today what we're going to do is take the soil and we're going to cut it again. So we're actually going to go through and do it one more time. So that just kind of lets you know we're going to take the tractor, we're going to cut it up one more time, and then hopefully it'll dry out even more during the day today. So that's kind of the plan today. We're going to cut it one more time with the same tractor. We're going to take that same harrow, the same implement on the tractor, and then we're going to change it up probably later on this afternoon, and we'll actually do the finishing here as well. So come on along. All right, we're gonna got Meredith and Lennon in here today with me. We're just kind of doing the same passes here. Let's see what we got going on. Making the same pass, about the same depth so far. And each pass with you, we'll come back and we'll split that difference. We'll put our wheel, just like we did yesterday, on that center furrow, that center mound that it creates when it cuts this out of that path there. And so that's just one of the things that helps us keep from digging the big trenches that we mentioned yesterday.
Daddy,
yeah, buddy.
You need a wall. Dad, you need a wall. You need a wall on that side and that side. One over and one over.
We'll hit this, we'll let it dry out for a few hours today, and then I'll come back this afternoon later, and we will put the other finishing harrow on, and when I put that finishing harrow on, it'll make a big difference with how this begins to look to prepare for the seed bed. So
Yep.
Meredith, you got any thoughts? What you doing back there?
Playing and watching the dirt.
Just watching the dirt? It's pretty fun to watch the dirt, ain't it?
Yeah, I'm just watching the lines. I like how the sides when the dirt comes up. I like how it turns over.
Oh, it turns it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, what's that, Dad? Daddy, what's that?
Let me see.
Cool.
Oh yeah. How it just lays it open there.
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. All right, same thing again here. We're gonna do the same thing.
Still doing it. When that fangy pulls up it makes so fine.
Yep, sure does.
And lower out.
Yeah.
Do we keep going over and over then?
Yeah, we do. We got to keep going over and over because we got to finish this whole piece. We want this stuff to dry out today as much as possible. So I'm turning it again so it can continue to dry out. This is pretty wet still, but we're getting it done.
Yep. Daddy, you have to do that well too.
Yeah.
You have to mess up that one. Yeah, when I was a baby, my granddaddy used to have to drive a tractor. Then my granddaddy used to have to drive a four too.
Drop a 4-wheeler too.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna make this pass here again. We're gonna cut this one down.
Yep, this one now.
We're getting pretty close to being finished up here with this particular pass. Then we'll let this dry for a little while, try to dry out. Hopefully the sun will come back out here momentarily and it'll have some sun on us. And then we can later on today hook to the finish plow
No.
to another implement.
No, Daddy,
And then,
when the sun comes out, we can swim in the pool.
Yeah, I can't swim in the pool today, buddy.
No, when the sun comes out.
Oh yeah, when the sun's out.
Yeah, what that you said. Daddy, the sun's already out, see?
This area over here, I probably will not plant any crops in. It gets a little too much shade. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to smooth it out. I'm actually going to plant some grass over there this year so that I'll have a place to put my, my fence and stuff. All right, that's pretty much it for now. We'll just let this sit there and dry out, and then we'll come back in a little bit, and we'll come back in a little while, and then we will hook to the other attachment, and we'll finish this out. And once we get it finished out, it'll just kind of sit and dry for a little while, which it still needs to dry a little bit before I begin the process to plant. So that's kind of the plan currently.